Aston Digital ITF's YouTube channel because I want to talk to you about our student how-to videos. So to find them from the channel here, the main page, we're going to click on playlists, and then we're going to scroll down until we find the student how-tos. Now, I'm going to put a shortcut to this in the description of this video. So the student how-tos are a series of videos aimed at students that walk them step by step through submitting different types of digital files. So for example, this first one is how they can submit a webcam video to Canvas. This one down here is how to submit a screenshot, how to submit a Google Doc. Now most of these are Canvas focused, dealing with how to turn in things in Canvas, but a few of them are looking at other software tools. Like this one's how to add a video to Google Slides. This one is how to submit a picture to a Google Form. Now, if you want to use one of these, the best way to do it is to drop it into your Canvas assignment. So, for example, if you're having them create a document in Google and turn it in, then you can embed this video into your Canvas page. And I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So we're going to do submitting a screenshot. So what they have to do here is they have to write something, and they're going to take a screenshot of it and submit it. So I'm going to click on this video. And you'll notice the video starts, and it's going to be a walkthrough of how the students can do this. Now I'm going to pause this. So to embed this, what you need to do is first you need to get the URL. Now I would advise against going up here and copying this URL because sometimes it doesn't work. Canvas doesn't like that one. So instead we're going to go down here and we're going to click the share button, and this is the URL you want. So you're just going to click copy right there, and that's copied that link to the clipboard. Now I'm going to switch over to Canvas and show you how to insert it. I'm in Canvas and I'm in my assignment, and I want to put this video down here. It's good to have your section where you tell the kids how to turn in something, and this is something that you could include in every one of your assignments. So if I have a student turning in a screenshot, I want to put this video in every assignment that I ask them to do a screenshot. So what you do is you come down to your instructions area, however you've got that titled, and then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click this nice, neat new YouTube button. Brings this up, and this is where I'm going to paste in that link that I copied. Okay, and I hit enter, and sure enough, it's found it. You can look right here to make sure that it's the right one. And then when you come over here to embed, you have several options. You can do a small, medium, or large. I really like the medium. I found that it's about the right size, but your mileage may vary, so use which ones you want. And you'll notice it's embedded that into the assignment. Now I'm going to save that to see how it looks. And I would probably put a little introductory text that says, watch this video if you're unsure how to submit your screenshot. And so there you go. They can now watch this video right here without leaving Canvas. So I hope these are useful to you. Please use as many as you like, and if there are types of digital assignments that you're not seeing in there that you would like to see, please contact your ITF and give them that suggestion, and we'll try to get those made and put them in the list. Thank you.